Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
What if I told you that some of the richest people in the world once slept hungry, failed in school, and were told they would never succeed? Today, I am going to talk about the journey from poor to billionaire, not just about money, but about mindset, discipline, and life lessons that can change your future. Most people think billionaires are born lucky, but many of them were born in poverty, pain, and problems. This video is not about luxury cars or mansions. This video is about the life lessons that turned ordinary people into extraordinary success stories. If you are struggling right now, this video is for you. Being poor is a solution, not a definition. Many billionaires grew up with nothing. Elon Musk faced bullying and family problems. Oprah lived in extreme poverty. Jack Ma failed exams many times. They didn't let their past decide their future. Life lesson. Never say, I am poor. Say, I am becoming better every day. Your bank balance doesn't define your value. Your choices do. Every billionaire once started with a small idea, a small job, a small business. They didn't wait for perfect conditions. You don't need big money to start. You need big courage. They sold books, worked in garages, failed businesses, tried again. Life lesson. Start with what you have: your phone, your skills, your time. Small actions today become massive success tomorrow. Jack Ma was rejected from 30 jobs. Oprah was fired from television. Steve Jobs was removed from his own company. Failure taught them failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of success. Every mistake makes you stronger if you learn from it. Life lesson. Don't fear failure. Fear staying the same. Most billionaires read daily, not school books only, but business books, psychology, finance, biographies. Poor people watch TV, rich people study life. They learned how money works, how people think, how to solve problems. Life lesson. Invest in your mind before you invest in money. Knowledge multiplies income. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Billionaires wake up early. They work when others sleep. They focus when others complain. Success is boring. It's the same habits every day. Life lesson. Create routines. Read daily. Work daily. Improve daily. Small habits create big futures. If you stay with people who complain, waste time, fear change, you become like them. Billionaires surround themselves with thinkers, builders, problem solvers. Show me your friends and I will show you your future. Life lesson. Protect your mind from negative voices. Billionaires don't chase money, they solve problems. Amazon solved shopping convenience. Tesla solved clean energy. Facebook solved communication. The more problems you solve, the more valuable you become. Life lesson. Ask, what can I improve? What can I help with? What can I build? Money follows value. Success doesn't happen in 1 year. It takes 5 years, 10 years, sometimes more. But most people quit too early. Overnight success takes years. Life lesson. Be patient, be consistent, trust the process. True billionaires respect people, give back, stay grounded. Money without character destroys lives. Wealth is good, but wisdom is better. Life lesson. Never forget where you came from. Help others rise too. If you are poor today, that does not mean you will be poor forever. Your future depends on your mindset, your actions, your discipline. One decision can change your entire life. From poor to billionaire is not magic. It is hard work, learning, failing, trying again, and believing when no one else does. If this video inspired you, like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, subscribe for more life lessons. And remember, your story is still being written. Make it legendary.